All right, hello everyone. I just wanted a short video regarding how to deal with the members' site information so that you could actually get things done nice and easy. Okay. Now, at the Global Trader Club, as you know, what we're doing is every Monday we're identifying the possible swing days for the week for these assets. Plus, every day we've got the Astro hours. Okay. And here's a technical analysis video. All right. So I give these pretty much London opening or before London open, maximum at London opening, in the first hour or so, you probably get these. So this is last week, as you can see, 18th September, and today's I've already posted ages ago, so several hours ago. So what basically is this? For example, we're just going to take a look at gold, okay, as an example. So I said gold Thursday was a swing day. Okay, so if I open up the chart for gold, this is Thursday, swing day. That's your Friday, right? So the market made a swing low on a Thursday. So knowing that this is a swing day is important for me, because if I have a big sell-off, I know where I'm going to, somewhere on Thursday. And then all I have to check, I got to check my PST levels, where we're at, okay, on the lines here, at the tops there, and so on. If I'm going up, I'm going up. If I'm going down, I'm going down. So the important thing is, if I'm going to go up, I need to be at a low to go up. So if it's a swing day and it makes a low on Thursday, a big splash down in New York, this is the time when I'm going to be thinking about buying, because it's a swing day and it made a big drop down since Wednesday. So the market's bound to retrace as well. And these are the Friday swing hours. Look what's happening on Friday swing hours. We're getting up to there and then we're selling off. Getting up there, selling off. Look, these are all Astro hours. At the weekly pivot, Astro hours, selling off. Now, Thursday was a swing day, right? So knowing last week swing day, plus I know today is a swing day as well for gold, what I've done is I've plotted the Astro hours for today. And then those Astro hours are going to give me the opportunity to follow up on what happened on Thursday. Now, Monday is also a swing day for gold. So there are two options here. We're either going to be swinging lower down here at 1911, 1917, and possibly 1990. So this 1919 to 1917 is a zone where the market can swing up, or we could hit slightly lower and swing up as well. But what happened today? 11:15. So I had 11:20 as a Astro hour today. What happened? The market made a big push up and then comes back down and retraces into that demand zone there. And then it does it at an Astro hour. So obviously I waited for the bar to close, and then I went in this white area here, as you can see. Okay. And then the first place to cover your trade is the daily pivot. So this trade is already covered. I've got nothing to worry about. The rest is a bonus trade. Now, according to my technical analysis, the weekly resistance for this week is this 50.36, which is 1930. If I break above that, which is likely, it could happen because last week we had a breach. If we break above that, then if the market comes back down, I want to go long again. Okay. And today we've got some aspects which are like really good for swings for all markets' sake. So if I know the swing day, I know the swing hour, even if I know the swing days of last week, like Thursday, I'm going to follow it up, aren't I? So Monday retraces to the swing day of last week. We're at the lows because the market did a big fall. Okay. And I've got Monday, and Monday is a swing day for gold as well. So we're either going to go up to swing from a high place on Monday, or the next swing day, which is going to be tomorrow for gold. Okay. And start going down, or we're going to go up to powerful level where there's resistance. Okay. And if we go above this 1930, we're highly likely going to come up into the 1950 All right. So thus henceforth, understanding what happened last week, okay, following it up with my swing day for today and the Astro hour for today and at my technical level, I've got a really low risk trade on, which has already covered itself at the daily pivot, and I've got nothing to worry about. Okay, this is already like 1 to 2, more than 2 actually, cover. And I've got to take profit at 1928.87, which is the weekly pivot. So if it touches there, this whole thing's going to close. That's already going to give me like 1 to 5. Okay, so I'm just nice and easy on that one. And if it breaks above that, then on a pullback into an Astro hour, I'll look to go towards the 1950. But this is a simple way of like doing any trade. All I've got to do is follow it through, wait for the Astro hours, and then just come up with a logical deduction. So your trading with Astro hours and technical analysis is actually quite easy and practical to follow through. If you know the swing days, which I give every Monday, I give the swing hours every day, and I give the technical analysis video as well. So you got levels and pricing and so on. And if you think this is in the middle of nowhere, I don't want to trade it, that's fine. This was in the middle of nowhere. Okay. You could have wanted to wait for a lower price. That's also okay. No problem. I always say trade at the edges where the PST levels are. But in any case, even if you're taking a trade like I did today, 11.20, what you can do in the middle of nowhere is just sit it out if you like. Not a problem. I just wanted to take it because I had a good impulse push up here before the Astro hour, and then market came down here. And because I know financial astrology, I know what the planets mean. So I said to myself, well, 11.20 is not a bad spot for an intraday beginning move because it's just retesting the impulse. Plus, it's an Astro hour where a change in the market is rather logical. So that logic is like retested, and then me reading the sky can enter with a tight stop loss. Also, if you want to enter in the middle of nowhere, you can also bring your volume down. You don't have to go in with a huge volume. But that's how it is. Also, covering the trade really cuts down on the stress because I cover the trade and I'm just like, move forward. Don't muck around with it. End of story. That's it.